How cool would it be if Tommy Pickles actually won this race here today? Sponsored by Reptar Bar?
That'd be amazing.
That'd be incredible. Oh, there it is! Oh my goodness! Oh my god. Up and over end goes the 39 of Carl Wheezer! Oh my goodness. What a dramatic accident here in the tri-oval of Daytona International Speedway.
Well, it was just a matter of time. This is coming off of turn number 4.
Oh my god, he gets upended by Lynn Loud inside the zero. Oh my god.
That is by far one of the most insane accidents we have ever seen here at Daytona.
Oh my god.
We didn't even talk about the 2-car of AJ up and over, too.
Yeah, he's gonna tumble, too. My goodness, what a ride for both of them. Holy cow. Oh my god.
Thankfully, Wanda misses both of them.
Oh my goodness.
But we knew it was going to be chaotic. We didn't know it was going to be this much.
What a ride. Oh my god.
Wow. From AJ.
Yeah, the camera got knocked out for majority of it. But I kept going.
But let me tell you something, guys. The safety of these race cars with the crush zones, Tyler Lawmaker, and the rest of the safety officials here in this sport have really made, oh my goodness, a safe race car, one of the safest race cars I've ever seen. Both drivers were okay walking away from this accident. Unreal. Just unbelievable.
I mean, you see AJ just going up and just like, the fact that we had 2 flips at once.
Yeah.
Just one of the craziest crashes I think we've seen. It's up there.
It's definitely up there.